Today I am reviewing the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i Gen 10 gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. From the moment you start using it, the Intel Core Ultra 9275HX makes its presence known. This is a serious desktop-class processor in a laptop form factor, and in real-world use it behaves exactly like one. Heavy multitasking, large game installs running in the background, browser tabs, streaming software, and demanding applications all coexist without the system ever feeling stressed. There's a sense of relentless responsiveness here. Tasks don't just complete quickly, they complete confidently, without hesitation or thermal panic. Whether you're gaming, compiling code, rendering video, or running complex simulations, the CPU never feels like the limiting factor. Gaming performance is, frankly, exceptional. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 with 16GB of GDDR7 memory and a full 175W TGP is unleashed properly in this chassis. This is not a watered-down laptop GPU pretending to be powerful. It delivers consistently high frame rates at the native 2560 by 1600 resolution, even in modern AAA titles with ray tracing enabled. DLSS and AI-driven rendering enhancements don't just boost numbers on a graph. They translate into smooth, stable gameplay that feels fluid even during long sessions. Frame pacing is excellent, stutter is minimal, and the system maintains performance over time instead of fading once the fans ramp up. The OLED display is one of the most striking elements of the Legion Pro 7i, and it fundamentally changes how games and content look on a gaming laptop. The WQXGA resolution paired with a 240Hz refresh rate delivers both sharpness and speed, but it's the OLED panel's contrast and color depth that truly elevate the experience. Blacks are genuinely black, highlights pop with HDR 1000 support, and colors look rich and accurate thanks to full DCI P3 coverage. Games feel more immersive, movies look cinematic, and even everyday desktop use benefits from the clarity and responsiveness of the panel. At 500 nits, brightness is more than sufficient for most environments, and motion clarity remains excellent even in fast-paced competitive games. Thermal management is where Lenovo quietly proves its engineering maturity. Packing this level of hardware into a laptop only works if cooling is done right, and the Legion Pro 7i delivers stable performance without excessive throttling. Under heavy gaming loads, the system gets warm, as expected, but it never feels out of control. Fan noise is noticeable when pushed, but it's consistent and predictable, not sharp or distracting. More importantly, performance remains steady. The laptop doesn't sacrifice frame rates to save itself, which is exactly what you want from a flagship machine. Memory and storage choices further reinforce the premium positioning. With 32GB of DDR5 running at 6,400 metric tons per second, the system feels ready not just for today's games, but for future workloads as well. There's no memory pressure, no sudden slowdowns, and no reason to worry about upgrades anytime soon. The 1TB PCIe Gen 5 NVMe SSD is incredibly fast in real use. Boot times are nearly instant, games load rapidly, and large file transfers happen without delay. While power users may eventually want more storage, the performance on offer here is top tier. Build quality and design reflect Lenovo's Legion identity. The chassis feels solid and well-constructed, with a professional gaming aesthetic that avoids unnecessary flash. The per-key RGB keyboard is excellent for both gaming and typing, offering satisfying travel and responsiveness. Long sessions remain comfortable, and the layout feels natural whether you're gaming or working. The inclusion of a high-quality 5MP webcam with a privacy shutter is a welcome touch, especially for users who stream, attend meetings, or care about security. Windows 11 Pro feels like the right pairing for this hardware, especially for users who want more control over their system. Everything runs smoothly, and the overall software experience feels refined rather than bloated. Lenovo's tuning allows the hardware to stretch its legs while still remaining stable, which is something not all gaming laptops manage to achieve. This is not a laptop built for casual gaming or portability-first users. The Legion Pro 7i Gen 10 is unapologetically powerful, and that comes with size, weight, and power demands, including a substantial 400W power adapter. But for those who understand what they're buying, that trade-off makes sense. This is a machine designed to replace a high-end desktop while still offering the flexibility of a laptop.